Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? The man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year.
Okay guys, so in today's video we are going to be installing this gorgeous wig that was sent to me. This is their body wave 22-inch unit from Tinashe Hair. You guys know I love me some like flat iron curls. Like I can't do the barrel, but this just held the curls so well. I'm actually about to go out to brunch, so we're gonna see how this holds up. But if you're interested in knowing my thoughts on this hair and you want to know if it's something you should invest in, is it good, all that good stuff, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so like I said, today's video is sponsored by Tinashe. This is their packaging. They did go ahead and send me this perfect dust bag. So now we have an elastic band, we got some wig caps, hair clips, some hairpins, lashes, and a bonnet, girl. They fully loaded this pack, okay? So this is their beautiful ombre wig. The wig is just so bomb, okay? So I did go ahead and pluck this wig off camera. This wig was so easy to pluck. I didn't bleach the knots or anything. Literally out the box, plucked and on the head. So I wiped down my forehead with some alcohol, and now I'm taking the Ghost Bond, I'm about to say Ghost Bond got to be glue. Girl, that don't make no sense. I'm about to take the Ghost Bond lace glue, and I'm going to put that all over the perimeter of my forehead. Also, keep in mind, I did do my wig cap method off camera. If you want to see a video like that, you could definitely check that out. So yeah, my blow dryer was so beat up, girl, so I had to get a new one. Okay, so this new blow dryer is so bomb. It came with a diffuser, a little blow dryer comb, and like a precise blow drying tool. This is what it looks like when we unpackage it. This is from X Professionals, and this is their infrared blow dryer. So a little red beam, period. I love this blow dryer. It was so bomb. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are in the market for a new blow dryer as well. Love it so much. It is just so pretty, so sleek. I love that it's a matte black. Literally obsessed. So after blow drying my hair, I did go ahead and just put the wig down right in front of the bald cap, okay? Because you don't want that bald cap to be showing through, because the lace is very much transparent, okay? Period. So I'm just taking my comb and pushing the lace into the glue and not the hairline, just so everything is giving very much scalp and it's going to give melted. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my lace band, and I'm going to tie it really, really tight. I let that stay on for about 10 minutes, and now we're going to go ahead and cut off this excess lace. Like I said, this lace is so bomb. It melted perfectly. It matches my skin tone perfectly. Like, they just did not miss a beat with this wig. I am obsessed with the color, the install, everything. Just super gorgeous. So what I'm doing here is just cutting off my excess ear tabs and, you know, just making sure this wig is nice and customized to my liking. Alrighty, my love, so now I'm going to take the Spritz Super Hold, and I'm just going to spray that on my hairline. This is a secret step, girl. This is how you make that lace completely disappear. Be careful, because you don't want the lace to start lifting the glue. So right after I did that, I blow dried it with the infrared blow dryer, and then I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of my foundation. This is the Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation in shade 09, and I put it right on the lace, and it just makes it disappear. Like, don't tell me this don't look like I grew this out of my scalp, okay? This look like I was born with it. She get it from her mama. Like, I love this wig. So today, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I decided to do a middle part. I'm going to go ahead and take my She's Bomb wax stick and put that right on the hair that's next to the part. And then we're going to put it on the perimeter of the hair, like where my edges and stuff is supposed to be. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my hot comb, and this hot comb gets super duper hot. I got this hot comb from the beauty supply store. It's very inexpensive. I think it's about $10 to $15, but it did break, so keep that in mind. Inexpensive, but not durable. But I did go ahead and get that hot comb nice and hot, and what I'm doing is just hot combing the root of my hair. This is also a key step. You have to hot comb and take your time with hot combing. You will see such a difference with your install. So this hair, it just came out so bomb. The way a hot comb, it just melted perfectly. The hair just listened. I just like it listened. It was a good kid. Like, the hair literally just went into place. It smoothed down. It wasn't hot to hot comb. It wasn't bumpy and lumpy. This hair just came, ooh, y'all see that? Tell me, oh my god, y'all know I'm so extra. This looks like scalp is so bomb. So I did go ahead and start parting sections in the wig so I can get this wig even flatter, girl. Like, I want this wig to be flat. So I did one side. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron the other side because it looks a little different. So after hot combing everything, I did go ahead and pull out some edges. I'm just doing 4 edges in total, and I want to kind of like big, swoopy, dramatic edges. So what I'm going to do here is take my 1/2 inch flat iron and curl it inward. And I'm going to do that to the whole perimeter of my head. Guys, look at that. Oof, this looks so good. I feel like my plucking is just getting A1. The hair A1, the color A1, and these edges A1. Stop playing with me, period. So here I'm just taking my Gots to Be glue gel. This is the water resistant, the one in the yellow pack, and I'm just rubbing that all on my edges and just focusing it on the root of my edge. And then I'm going to take the comb and start doing a C-shape motion. So I start the C in the beginning, and I just like push it back into the hairline. And after I get it how I want it, then I go in with the brush of the edge brush and just kind of smooth it down. Alright guys, so next up I'm going to go ahead and cut some, you know, a little bit of layers. I'm not even layers, I'm really just framing my face because I wanted to do flat iron curls. You do need to frame it just a little bit. So this is what it's looking like. This hair is so beautiful, so fluffy, so luscious. I just love it so much. So I did go ahead and frame my face. Now I'm combing out the hair, and I'm going to take my old reliable flat iron, and we're going to go ahead and just curl this away from my face. So I'm going to go ahead and do these curls all over my head. I'm going to turn the music up so you guys can watch what's going on here, because yes girl, this hair held a curl like no other. I'm sorry y'all, I was getting ready to go to brunch. That's why I'm like talking and like just playing around, because I literally had everybody in my beauty room just like waiting for me. Makeup not even done, nothing, just doing my hair, talking and playing. Alright guys, so after we curl the whole hair, the whole head of hair, I'm just combing out the curls with my wide tooth comb. And I look crazy, but now I'm going to do my little 70s hair flip, okay? The hair is getting big, voluminous, and pretty. And this is what the wig is looking like. So much volume. Ooh, you guys see that color? I did go ahead and do my lashes and eyebrows off camera. No foundation today, just lashes and brows, because the wig was doing all the talking it needed to do. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I did go ahead and install and style this unit. This hair is super bomb. I love the color. I love the transition from dark brown to light brown. Super pretty. If you are someone that's scared to like get into lighter colors, this is like the first perfect step kind of wig. This wig is only 22 inches, which you guys know I love me some long hair, but this is just so perfect. It's a perfect length. It's not too short. It just sits really nice. The hair is originally body wave, so it holds a curl very, very well, which I love that. This hair it's bomb.com. okay, so if you're interested in purchasing this unit, all the information will be down below in the description box, with promo codes and all that good stuff. If you haven't already, join the family, just do it like Nike and subscribe to the channel. Okay, we got a lot of beauty related content, so you're gonna love it here. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.